currently at breakfast. We've gone to a new place which is in the same area, but it's just a different place. It's called Sales, and they have avocado. I'm not going to get some avocado because my stomach is a little bit upset, but today's our last day at Hamilton Island, so we'll be moving to Daydream Island today, so that will be fun and exciting. So we're going to take a ferry, we're going to check out after this and then go to the marina, take a ferry, or is it a ferry or whatever, a ferry to Daydream Island. Apparently Daydream Island is the name, it's really relaxing and stuff like that, so that'll be fun. Okay guys, for those who don't know, Farai can eat. You can really eat. So the place where we're staying has bottomless breakfast. So it's catered for, like it's, what's the word? It's table service, but it's bottomless. So you can order smashed avo, big breakfast, omelette, etc. Everything you want, as much as you want. It's like a buffet, but not. So somebody is really enjoying their time here. We've just finished a big breakfast and now we're going on to the smashed avo. This is my fruit, disregard the fruit. And then I've had my one omelette with my one croissant and dabo.
No one is stopping you from eating. Takaruza mabegangu. And we have no underwear. I just walk around naked. What's pretty good. It's good. We don't really know where to go from here, man. It's okay. Okay. Thank you, man. The hospitality here is a lot better. It's just saying here, nothing.
I thought it was bleached by the sun, and that's not true. No. Yeah, the colour's gone. Yeah.
Oh, this is stunning. So pretty. Oh wow. Oh, my bags are here. Yeah. Daydream Island has a very daydreamy vibe to it. Very relaxing. The vibes are totally different.
Saturday, they don't do them. So gutted right now.
Sorry, babe. We can go next time.
What is that?
But I ukudya futhi. What round of this of the buffet?
It's a food shaming. Huh?
No.
We got the first round. That's of water.
Straight lies. Pre-warmer. Before the warmer. Before the main.
Your camera, does it ever run out of battery? Does your camera run out of battery?
It doesn't actually.
Oh, I hope it runs out of space. It's very intrusive.
I'm having some, this fish is not the greatest, it's really tough. But there's this beef cheek that's fire. Wouldn't mind having that with like some sardine togetherness, to be honest.